Welcome back to Daytime Live. So we have a serious chat to get into after a 47-second video showing a boy being shoved, punched, and kicked by a larger male classmate sparked outrage online. People have begun to question what our educational institutions are doing to keep our children safe.
Many people online who saw the video made remarks about the student's cry for help as he was being assaulted, questioning why nearby teachers did not just step in.
All right, so following the incidents widespread on social media, the mother of the boy caught assaulting the other child, of course, came on social media, started to speak out, and in her response, she mentioned her son's anger issues and other circumstances surrounding his upbringing. So as of recent, the Portland police they've charged the 12-year-old boy with assault.
Now, the whole incident has us wondering, when authorities and adult figures fail our children, what are we to do? How are we to keep our children safe? Those are the two big questions. Of course, I think we're going to throw this one out to
our Caribbean heads. Community of retired persons, please and thank you.
Have any of you seen the video with the boy being assaulted?
No.
Saw it?
Yeah.
All right, so a quick synopsis of the video. There are a group of students at school. There's one smaller boy, of course they're all in uniform, and he's being bullied by a bigger boy. And when he decides to just fight back, the bigger boy just starts punching him when he falls to the ground, kicks him, and the entire time the boy was just shouting for help. So that is the backstory with that video.
And you said that there was a group of boys, so the other boys were seeing this?
Well, there are students there.
Okay. So they were seeing it.
They were seeing it.
Okay.
Right? If I'm not mistaken, there's a girl's voice throughout the video shouting, leave him alone, leave him alone. But because the boy, the aggressor was bigger physically than the boy.
Okay.
It could have been hard for her to stop him.
Okay, no problem.
And
so back to the question now.
And all he did, the boy he just pushed him off to say, leave me alone. And he took offense to that and just...
Okay, so how do we keep our children safe is a question. Okay.
Wow.
All right.
I think I can...
Who has the mic?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Yay. Please say your name for us and if you have any words of wisdom.
Good afternoon, I'm Karen Henry. I have no words of wisdom to give, but I am concerned like many other Jamaicans about it, because this is like the fourth time I'm having a conversation about this in the past 2 days. So obviously a lot of people are concerned about this, and it's even more worrying because people saw this child being attacked and didn't jump in to help. And that really, really bothers me, because when we come together, when we're united, we can defeat the common enemy. That has been proven time and time again.
That's true.
This one bully cannot beat off 10 of us. So we need to get back to the place where we unite against evil forces, against evil actions, and that would take us a little bit closer to the more caring and the more gentle society that we say we want, but we need to bring the actions to bear to prove that we really want that kind of society.
Yes, and that way evil will be afraid to do anything too good. I like it, Karen. What she said. Okay, Karen, let's pass it on.
Teddy's ready.
Jeez, Teddy was not ready.
Teddy's ready.
Okay, Teddy, I'm sorry for Dufton.
That's how Teddy holds up his hands now, puts it across his chin.
Teddy, I'm so sorry. Go ahead, hon.
In my opinion, I think what have happened is, looking at the school system, there's no consequence for behavior now, like in the past. For example, we take the I don't know whether I want to use flogging or beating from school. And so, therefore, when we were growing up, a flogging or beating from teacher or elder student in the school would deter us from behaving in a manner. And now, things have changed. There's no consequences for one behavior, and so therefore, what you're going to do? This is like the common saying. So what are you going to do about that? Mm-hmm. Right? And so we have to redesign, take a second look at situation and say, how are we going to know implement a new approach for consequences of behavior.
For this time. Thank you,
You're
Teddy.
right. You're right.
Thank you, Teddy. So I won't point her out. I'll just say her name. I saw Joan looking up, like to the roof, like she was thinking. So I'm not sure if she wanted to share the thoughts. No, Joan? No? Yeah, I saw you thinking.
Hi. Hello, yes, Joan. I am concerned because the age group, the demographics seem to be going down and down. We have 5-year-olds now with anger management problems, let alone adolescent and prepubescent children who are totally under control. And as Teddy said, there's action and there's consequence. But even at home, I don't know what kind of rage a 10-year-old, a 12-year-old can have. That takes you to think that you can bring a weapon. I have a knife, I have my scissors. I'm going to shut you up. And that I don't understand how you jump from the one end of the pendulum to this so swiftly. No self-control in between. And again, no consequence. If you know there's corporal punishment awaiting you in the principal's office, and you are going to get a fine caning, and then when my father get a hold of you, you are dead before you reach the gate. There is nothing that says I must be afraid of anything. I can do it, and I can in some of those high levels of 16 and 15-year-olds at risk that I deal with them. So, we can't go to jail, go sit down. No, again, I don't know where you get off doing something, thinking that nobody can touch you. You're not afraid of your mother. You're not afraid of the police.
You're afraid of
the
nobody.
soldier them can't touch you. So what come for me then, no?
Yeah, right.
You don't understand? So I don't know the extremes of discipline that we can apply across the board, both at home, at school, and in the wider society.
Love that. Love that. Thank you, Joan.
This is a topic that we're going to have to talk about some more. Unfortunately, we're out of time. And right after the break, we're going to be talking to the Caribbean community of retired persons. We'll be right back.